Alright guys, no talking. Alright? It's detention.
I've seen you around, Jack. I guess you just weren't looking hard enough.
Now I always have somewhere to find you.
You like taking pictures?
Only of beautiful sights. I want to be a photographer for Life magazine. Oh, and I wasn't smoking with my friends. I was just taking pictures of them.
So you aren't even supposed to be here. You weren't even smoking.
No, but I still skipped class. It's fine. I don't even care. I want to drop out anyway.
What? You should care. I care if you're here. I'm just gonna end up a housewife or something, but I still care about graduating, and you should too.
You can do so much more. You're as beautiful as a model or an actress.
No, I don't know. I couldn't.
Yes, you can. Come on. I'll show you.
Okay. You're the only one to think so. My parents, all they think I can do is cook and clean, so be it.
You can be my model. I'll practice taking pictures of you. I'm serious. Do you want to go get a milkshake? How do I talk to you? Wait. Who cares if you're deaf? I'm dying to spend more time with you. Why don't we go get a milkshake and you teach me how to sign?